This is what an individual module of a drum film evaporator for a multi-stage desalination system looks like. The heating steam enters through a nozzle into the housing of the drum film evaporator to heat the evaporative drum and condense on its external surface. The condensate formed on the drum flows to the lower part of the housing and is discharged through a thermodynamic steam trap into the freshwater tank. The drum rotates on specially designed roller supports evenly distributed along its entire length, allowing for load distribution. The rotation of the drum, partially filled with brine, results in film evaporation of water from the inner surface and the release of secondary steam through the axial nozzle. Roller supports eliminate restrictions on the drum's length and the thickness of its heat transfer wall, ensuring high performance of the evaporation module. The brine supply for evaporation and automatic maintenance of the specified brine level in the drum are carried out using a float valve. A spiral made of thin-walled tape with a heavy rod inside, rolling under its own weight below the brine level in the rotating drum, not only cleans the inner heating surface of the drum from salt deposits, but also transports the resulting sludge to the discharge point for concentrated brine removal from the drum. This unique system for continuous cleaning of the heating surface from salt deposits ensures an unlimited operating cycle without maintenance stops. It also enables the processing of brines of any composition and contamination level without the use of chemical reagents or pre-treatment. As a result, the system does not require highly qualified personnel for maintenance. The discharge of concentrated brine is carried out by periodically opening a solenoid valve after the target salinity level is reached. The brine concentrate is expelled under increased pressure in the drum through a stationary pipe, one end of which is submerged below the brine concentrate level in the drum, while the other end drains the concentrate into an inclined trough for transfer to the evaporation pump. The wind turbine ensures the rotation of the drum and the cleaning of its surface from salt deposits even at night when electricity is unavailable. For this purpose, a differential mechanism is used, transmitting torque from the wind turbine to the drum via a worm gear on the drum shaft. The hermeticity of the drum film evaporator is ensured through the use of mechanical seals and sealing gaskets. The design of the drum film evaporator is patented.